Hello, Code Coach. Today we're talking about plumb slabs. Here's a great example of a plumbing slab. I want you to note here how your hot water lines are insulated and everything is draining towards your main stack, which is falling away down towards that way, main stack. Right there, I want you to see that it's sleeved. Now the code states that it has to be sleeved in a wall. Technically it has to be sleeved in a wall. Footing doesn't say anything about sleeving it in a footing, but it has to be 2 pipe sizes diameter bigger sleeve. I want you to note that you can run your water and your sewer line in the same trench. However, when it gets outside of the dwelling foundation, it's supposed to then either be shelved, split, or depending on the pipe size, it can be run if allowed.